Welcome back to Fast. Bitcoin rebounding the last half hour after AMC CEO Adam Aron said the theater chain will start accepting the crypto at its theaters by the end of the year. Your next guest has been all in on this crypto craze. Kiss frontman and rock legend Gene Simmons joined us now. Gene, great to have you with us.
Nice to see you all. Hope you're keeping safe out there.
Hope you are too. How long have you been on this trade, the crypto trade?
Well, I was very lucky because Tyler Winklevoss was kind enough to take my call back at the beginning of the pandemic. And it was just sort of a quick educational, sort of, those notes that we used to have in school that gave us a shortcut. And I went in big. I put in a few million into Bitcoin when it was around 10,000. I loved the ride up to 64,000 or so. And I am what's called a hodler, H-O-D-L-E-R. For those great unwashed masses who may not be educated, you have an inferred fiduciary duty to yourself. See, I'm using grown-up language to find out. And in your hand is the answer to all your questions, your handheld device. What is hodl, H-O-D-L? Find out. It's a cultural language that's created by the cryptocurrency kids, and it's a misspelling of the word hold.
Yes.
I'm a holder. So I'm a hodler. I believe in the long run, and now that crypto, especially Bitcoin, more and more is becoming accepted. Elon knows you can buy a Tesla ad infinitum, ad nauseum. Ask my opinion, then I'll be covered legally. Ask what's going to happen to Bitcoin, and then I'll give you my opinion.
What is going to happen to Bitcoin? Gene, please give us your opinion.
My opinion, uneducated as I am and protected by the ad infinitums of the world, by the beginning of next year, we'll be at 55,000 to 60,000. So I'm all in. I'm putting more in. When there was a big dip and it went down to, I don't know, under 30 or something, I put in more. I believe in Ethereum. I went in at about, 900. Now it's at 3,000 something. I have about 14 of them. Look, I believe in crypto because I just want to cut to the chase. You were talking about gold a second ago. Look, if I had a bar of gold and I wanted to sell it for you and I want cash, the government's not going to know about it, unfortunately. See, whereas all you people who are duly elected in the government, you need to educate yourself. And we like both sides of the aisle. You're both wonderful people, but find out. It's easier to get a gun than to fight legislators about trying to tie our hands in crypto. See, every single trade and every single purchase, any movement of any kind has a digital fingerprint, see? So you'll be able to tax everybody and make money. Whereas if somebody out there sells a bar of gold and takes cash, you're left out in the cold.
We've got like a minute, literally, left to this interview, Gene. So, but what I do want to ask you is, so just at the beginning of the pandemic, you get on this trade, you make massive amounts of money in a very short amount of time by making one call to Tyler Winklevoss. You returned your call. Lucky, bam, you're in. Now you made millions. Are you attracted to some of the other sort of FOMO trades out there that are pervasive on the internet, like these so-called Reddit stocks, for instance? Does this sort of get you in that loop? Does it pull you in?
Well, I do think it's everybody's responsibility to do their own research, and I'm not going to sit on my high chair and tell everybody that you can use cryptocurrency to purchase my art. That's right. The Gene Simmons art is going to be at the Venetian Hotel October 14, 15, and 16 for the first time, and some of the larger pieces go for $250,000. Now, of course, you can use cryptocurrency, I'll take bars of gold, anything that works. But in terms of the other areas, when we were off camera, I suggested to speak to Kathy Wood, who would be much more eloquent. And you really should give me much more time. I'm fascinated.
You know, the next time, Gene, we'll try and do that. All right. But it was great talking to you, getting your take. We appreciate it.
See you later.